Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. We've made it. We've started our circle on RoyalQ, the bot trading app, where we can put in our strategies and it trades on our behalf. People can follow traders, or you have the option of doing it manually. But if you do want to follow a trader, look out for Extreme. It's new and it's there. The current strategy Extreme is using is a mid to long term strategy, and it's only trading the top coins according to CoinMarketCap. We started from number 1 and moved down the list, trying to use all coins that seems to have a usage for the long term. The trading range is about 45%, so since the moment you've synced or your first trade is opened, the market has to drop 45% before there'll be a waiting period. Capital needed per pair is $300 and it's $10 per trade. So you have 30 trades set up in a range of 45%. The coins that's been trading on Binance and Huobi is almost exactly the same coins, with one or two different in between. The moment you sync, depending on the amount of coins you choose, the system will automatically choose opportunities for you to get into and start with. The current percentages per day for the month of November, moving up and down depending on the volatility in the market, depends on the profit we'll be making. Just something to take in consideration. Reasons why percentage returns could be different. The amount of pairs traded. We're currently trading 40 pairs at a time, and that's what's giving our daily percentage. Trading one pair might give you a total different return daily. Trading 10 pairs might give you also a total different indication compared to one pair and 40 pairs. Also, the time of syncing, the time you get into RoyalQ and starting to follow a trader. If you start at the same time, returns should be more or less similar. But if you start weeks or days later, the market has moved and the strategy will be implemented and start the moment you activate it. And all of this could be reasons why percentage differences will be seen. Currently, since we started on RoyalQ, we've accumulated profit of 4,500% in total already. It also gives you the logo for Extreme, so you know you're following the right one if you do decide to follow Extreme Crypto. We're on YouTube. Link yourself to the YouTube channel. This is a channel that's dedicated just to RoyalQ. We'll give updates, opportunities, and indications on new things you could do or do on your own. Also follow the Telegram, where we'll be posting the daily returns as well as the monthly returns. Sit back and enjoy. See the profits roll in. Have a good one. Take care. Subscribe.